You will love eating fruit sago like this, a fast and delicious recipe. Let's start by putting 375 milliliters of milk in a pan. And with the fire still off, we will add 1/3 of a cup of sugar and 1/4 of a cup of powdered milk. Now with a whisk, let's mix everything very well until the powdered milk and sugar dissolve. Then, we light the fire and stir. When it starts to boil, count 10 minutes stirring constantly and then set aside. Meanwhile, in a pan, we will put 1.5 liters of water and also a little bit of food coloring, but that's totally optional. We will mix and wait for it to boil. Next, we will add 1/2 cup of sago. Let's stir it from time to time until these balls get very soft. When they are only white in the middle and almost disappearing, it is ready. Once that's done, let's pour it in a strainer. In this recipe, we're only going to use the balls. So we're going to pour some ice water to stop the cooking and separate the jelly from it. Now just mix a bit with a spoon to make sure they are all loose. And set it aside as we prepare the last step. Here, I'll cut some green grapes into small pieces. Black grapes as well. Here I'm using grapes with seeds, but I took it out later. And some strawberries. Now, let's just assemble everything and it's ready. Let's pour our cream that it's already cold, the red sago, and let's mix everything to be very loose. Then, we put in some chopped almonds, chestnuts, the grapes, the strawberries, some mango cut into cubes, an apple cut into cubes, and some banana. Now just mix it very well and enjoy. The kids will love this fruit dessert. Do it at your house and then tell me what you think. A big hug and until the next video.